So, is tomorrow's world finally becoming a reality and we are going to have machine helping us in keeping the house clean and tidy?
Just by pressing a button. What you see coming out of the wall is a self-propelled floor cleaner.
Or is this Skynet finally taking over the world?
Skynet defense system now activated.
Hello guys, some of you might have seen, and in my previous video I bought already one of these vacuum cleaner, one of these robotic vacuum cleaner, and I was actually quite impressed by it. However, for my parents I wanted to buy something a bit better, in fairness, something that also had the possibility of mopping the floor, even if potentially in a bit of a basic way, but at least it will also clean the floor, and mostly something that had a docking bay. So when the vacuum cleaner needs recharging, it will go automatically onto this one. Mine needs to be plugged in. I went for this particular model, and to be honest, so far I'm really pleased with the quality of it. Just to give you a quick insight, the travel of the wheel seems to be very good. You can see the quality of the machine already from all the accessories that are provided. So extra brushes for the front, the filter for the vacuuming part itself, extra pad here for the mopping of the floor. You've seen already the unboxing. Let's also remove all the film here. Fantastic. Okay, we don't need this. So in here we have the box for all the dirt, and it's actually quite a large unit. So as you can see, there is also a replacement already for the filter, so very good. It's nice to have an extra filter if needed. So yeah, this goes into there nice and easy, and what we need to do is having a quick look at the instructions, and then we can turn it on and do a quick test around the house. But so far I really like the design, I really like the feel of it. It's quite a hefty machine, in fairness. It's definitely heavier than my other one, which is in fairness, is a sign of good quality as well. And the docking station, once the vacuum cleaner needs to recharge, just fit onto these two metal charging points. So I'm going to put it all together, and then we are going to run some tests. Of course, the only thing that I will need are two AAA batteries. Okay guys, as you can probably see on the floor, I'm making quite a bit of a mess already. Just want to make sure that this works before I give it to my parents. So, well, there goes the test. I'm not too sure what I'm supposed to be doing. I haven't exactly read the instruction, never do. But I'm going to just power it on and turn on auto, and we shall see if it does clean all this mess.
Start to clean room.
Wow. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, already now is doing an incredibly good job. I might take the phone and I show you a bit closer. I dropped quite a lot of dirt on the ground. He has already removed it very, very well. I'm going to see if I can make it go directly onto that area to see if I can show you. I just dropped quite a lot of dirt on the floor. You can probably pick it up. There is quite a bit of a mess there. So I strongly hope that it works well, because otherwise my wife will probably kill me. So yeah, I'm going to put the camera on the stand. There we go. And I'm going to turn the machine on and we are going to see what it does on its own. So I'm just pressing the power button and then pressing auto. I'll give you credit, it is very polite. As you can see, the machine is now started. I'm not doing anything. And it is, yeah, it is going around the room totally on its own. Unfortunately, the camera is not picking it up too well. There you go. But I will show you once the job is done. I will leave it totally in auto and I'll come back in a few minutes. Okay guys, a couple of considerations. One, as you can see, for the floor, it has cleaned it incredibly well. Before you get confused, this is not dirt, this is the floor itself. So this type of marks is not actually dirt onto the floor. It has removed all the dirt that was there. And it is actually very silent as well while it's doing the operation, and it's also working in a very regular, in a very intelligent way, in a very intelligent pattern to make sure that all the room is clean. I could be wrong, but I think this has got an A9 processor inside, which is generally used for mobile phones, for tablets. So it's actually quite an intelligent processor that is specifically put in the machine to then give it a programming to clean everything efficiently. Okay, now it's on the docking. I want to see how much dirt within those few minutes it has picked up. So there we go. And let's see what it has managed to achieve within just a few seconds of use anyway. Wow, okay. Guys, as you can see, that's everything that I put on the floor. And personally I think it's quite impressive. I mean, you saw the machine working. It worked for what, a couple of minutes I would say, and it picked up everything beautifully. Okay people, another thing that I wanted to check is how well this copes with stairs. So I'm just on the landing upstairs. That's the stair over there. There are different type of floors around, carpet most of it. I want to see exactly what it does. I'm going to put it onto auto mode as before, and we see how it copes with everything, making sure in particular that it doesn't fall down the stairs. Okay, that worked out very well actually. Very surprised, but yeah, it definitely stopped.